All right, the war has started. And I know this is a crypto channel, but it's going to impact cryptos. And there's some other things that any of you watching can do to make sure that you come out of this in the best possible shape. Because guess what cryptos need? Every single one of them. Electricity and internet. And wars destroy both. Be right back. This is coinpicker.us. It is 10:18 Central Standard Time. Strikes on Syria. Something I thought may have been a head fake turned out to be real, and the United States has gone ahead with utter lunacy. And I don't know whether those of you who watch these videos pay any attention to politics or not. I know you're strictly interested in crypto, but let me tell you something. Life is bigger than crypto, and crypto does not function without electricity and an internet. And we just entered a phase where both factors could become questionable. All it would take would be a couple of undersea cables to be snapped, which has already happened to Mauritania and other places. It's happened with islands. It could happen in the United States. And we could certainly experience EMP attacks. Who knows how far this crap storm is going to roll downhill. Right now, we've got a sea of green. Everything is looking relatively strong. In fact, we might have even gotten a little bit more of a pop just as the missiles started to launch. But ultimately, these gains pale in comparison to what's going on in reality and what the potential is for disrupting not only digital currencies but our lives. So, not much of a tactical update on trading, but a tactical update on what's really important. And cryptos, at this point, taking a back seat. One of the things I talk about in the free newsletter I send out, as well as the premium service, is the role of gold and silver in a portfolio. Now, there are times when you can go ahead and get what would be, let's just take a look at one that's a crypto-based DigXDAO. I've calculated what a rip-off DigXDAO is. However, there is apparently a functioning business behind it. I haven't investigated lately. Don't take my word on it, because I wouldn't go near it at these prices. You're not even getting 1 gram of gold at that price, 236, 1 gram, 31.1 grams make 1 troy ounce. Troy ounces that's the measurement for gold. So you're not even getting a gram. You're getting 2% or something like that, some small fraction of a percent of the profit, if there is one, of the trading in DigXDAO. So don't confuse DigXDAO with actual gold. But I wouldn't be surprised to see this catch a bid tomorrow, and other asset-backed cryptos. There aren't a whole lot of them, but there are a couple of them. Some of them have already disappeared, and some of them don't really appear on CoinMarketCap because they're not traded that way. They are direct asset-backed. So one token may be worth 1 gram or supposed to be tied to 1 gram of gold, or maybe 1 ounce of silver or something along those lines. So there's no reason to trade it on a crypto exchange. It's tied to precious metals funds. But if you were to look at what's going on with gold and silver right now, it's already been moving up. And I suspect that when Monday morning starts, and by the way, it's all operating right now. It'll be operating in Asia and in India and other places where they value gold and silver. We are going to see a significant leg up in gold and silver. We've already seen it. I've been calling for it. So those of you who are wildly into cryptos, and I include myself in that group, broaden your horizons. Consider gold and silver. Go to my website, coinpicker.us, and sign up for my free newsletter, which I send out just very brief updates with some technical indicators for trading cryptos. But I also talk about gold and silver. I would say I'm pretty well versed in both because I've been trading them for a very, very long time. And then, if you want to, you can of course sign up for the premium service to get more into the particular gold and silver stocks and get a little bit more creative with how you trade gold and silver and make money with it. But ultimately, it's not even about making money right now. It's about saving your rear end, because one of the things that can happen in this war, which is what we've got, missiles have been launched, is an economic battle. And that economic battle will include, and already has included, dramatic price inflation. Let's take a look at what's happened to the price of steel, which, whether you know it or not, impacts virtually everything you interact with. Let's see if I can show you a chart. But the price of steel, here we go. Let's take a look at it. Maybe it'll show a chart, but I just want to let you know we are in a period where we are seeing prices rocket up. Okay, it's not going to show us. I don't think it's going to show us this. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, get a look at that. Now you're not paying attention to it because it's not your space. You're in the crypto world, but I'm just letting you know this is going to hit all of us in the pocketbook in a big way. It's jumping up like crazy. Steel's done the same thing. Virtually everything. Titanium has gone supernova. So you've got to take a more cautious approach. Don't put everything in cryptos. I never recommended that, of course. I can't tell you what to do. I'm just telling you my own. And you definitely want to consider precious metals because war can destroy not only countries, but currencies. And sometimes the currencies go first. That's all I have for now. Please give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Sign up for my newsletter at coinpicker.us, which is right here. There's the free one, just see if you like it. But basically, I've been calling the markets in terms of highs and lows for crypto, and I'll do the same for gold and silver. But it's really become super serious on preparing for a major dislocation in our lives. Unfortunate to say that, but I think that's entirely possible. All right, that's all I have for now.